your social sir with you. So today we are going to continue the last topic. So today topic is Subhash Chandra Bose and INA. INA means Indian Nation Army. Okay. So today, so we are continue Subhash Chandra Bose and INA. So and after that we are discussed some of few of the topics. So what is means the first one Subhash Chandra Bose and next one is towards freedom. Okay. So under the towards freedom topics, so few of the subheadings subtopics also are having there. We are seeing about the Royal Indian Navy revolt, and next one is a Simla conference and negotiating independence Simla conference, and next one is a cabinet mission, and next so these are the topics we are discussed in the period of 9:30 to 10:30. So we are discussed one by one. The first one is Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, we are also known, he was an freedom fighter. Okay, so during the time of India got freedom, so he was a very good freedom fighter, and he also formed that INA, Indian Nation Army, and before that, so he left Congress, and after that he started a Forward Black Party, and after that, so in 1942 on this time, so he was made the Indian Nation Army. So these are the things we are discussed one by one. Okay, so Subhash Chandra Bose, had left the Congress. Okay, so at the time of March 1941, and so he was a house arrest. And next, he wanted to strike British in the heart of joining its enemies. So whose are the enemies of British? So those for the example, Germany is against of British. So he decided to joining Germany. Germany side, and to attack British. That is the thinking of Subhash Chandra Bose, and so he was joining its enemies, British enemies, when he joined means March 1941, and sign of that, so he was in house arrest in March 1941. That is why so he was joining the enemies, that is why he was a house arrest. And dramatically he escaped from the house in distinguished, and reached the Afghanistan. Initially wanted to support the Soviets, Soviet Union. Soviet Union also joined the Allied. That is why he was went to Germany. Germany, and in February 1943 he made his way to Japan on his submarine, and to control the Indian Nation Army. Okay, so and so in 1943, February 1943, so he was going to Japan, and after that, so his submarine on his Japan submarines control the Indian Nation Army. The Indian Nation Army under the captain, so Lakshmi Sahel was headed by the Indian Nation Army under the name of Azad in Fauj. So had earlier so organized by Jain. So that is Azad in Fauj, that was organized by Jain, and after that the captain, so who's the captain means so Lakshmi Sahel, and next the Muhammad Singh. So Muhammad Singh was an Indian prisoner of war. So in support of Japan in Malaya and Burma. So those are a prisoner in Malaya and Burma. So those are released within a great about of Mohan Singh. And next the Bose reorganized the three brigades. So he was reorganized the three brigades. The first one is Gandhi brigades and Nehru brigade, and women brigade named the Rani of Jhansi. So Subhas okay, so formed the provisional government, okay, so free India in Singapore, okay, so that is another one thing is formed by the provisional government of free India in Singapore. That is also he was forming there. And after that, the his slogan, famous slogan is a Dilli Chalo, okay, that was a famous slogan. And after that, the okay, so INA was deployed at the part of Japanese force, okay, so there is a he was okay, so put the joining that the Japanese force, however defeat the Japan, stop the advance of INA, okay, so why that is okay, so that the deployed with the Japanese force means the Japan, okay, couldn't attack the Indian force. That is why he was pledged with the Indian force with the Japan force. And so next, the airplane, okay, carrying Subhash Chandra Bose crushed and bringing to end the closer to the freedom. He was okay, died on the airplane craze, okay, so in before India got freedom also. So next one is the British government arrested the INA officers and put of them a trial in the Red Fort. After the death of Subhash Chandra Bose, uh, uh, okay, so the British government, okay, so INA leaders, the leaders of INA, and put him the trial, okay, on Red Fort. So the trial, okay, become a platform of nationalist propaganda. So the Congress set up the defense committee, okay, comprising that the Nehru and Tej Bahadur and Sapra, and after that the Bahulai Desai and Asaf Ali, okay, so those are also that the defense committee, okay, members, so are also okay set up there. And next, so INA officers were convicted, three were released due to that the public pressure, okay, so those are the three persons are released with the, so that is the okay, great public pressure, and after that the, so the British government released. Next, so these are the three persons are okay, so those are the leaders of okay INA are released. And INA they exploit the subsequent trial inspired by the Indians, okay, so that the INAs give a so great inspiration of the Indians, okay. Next one is the towards freedom, okay, so the first one is the Royal Indian Navy revolt that was also happened there. So the revolt happened in okay, so the February 1946, so revolt, that revolt name is a Royal Indian Navy revolt. And it was spreaded, so other station also involving okay a 2000 rating, that means that the 20,000 okay, the peoples are involving in the striking, so that the in the air forces, okay, so on this okay, so places strike also happened there. So the forces of Indian signal crabs, okay, in Jabalpur, okay, so the Indian force also, okay, so what it done means the Indian signal crabs that also happen, okay, where is happen means Jabalpur. So and after that, what is the decided of British means the huge, okay, huge manic control and chase the event that the army forces, that is also decided by the British. And next one is the negotiating independence in the Simla conference. So and after that in 1945 June, okay, so British government announced the Vival plan. So Vival plan, according to Vival plan, the interim, okay, a government that is also provided by the Vival plan. So that means so that two party also having in India, so that the two groups of communities also having in India. So the two communities are okay, so Hindus and Muslims. So the Victories Executive Council, so all photo files except war photo files were held in the Indian minister, okay, so all the photo files are also so having in Indians, so that is all the photo files held by the Indian minister. So the Congress Muslim League couldn't okay, so came to an agreement. Okay, so that all the photo files giving Indian ministers also, that is two parties. That means that is a Congress, and after that the Muslim League couldn't, so that they came to an end the agreement. Why? Because means Jinnah demanded, okay, something. Okay, so what Jinnah was demanded means the first one is that all Muslim member, okay, so should be from the Muslim League. Okay, so the representatives are, okay, so whose are from means that is from the Muslim League. Okay, that is the first one demand. And next one, the Muslim, okay, league having a, okay, so veto power. Okay, so that is also we want. Okay, that is the demand put behind the Congress. Okay, for by the Jinnah. And the provincial election that is also held in 1946, the Congress also win the most of the general seats, and Muslim League also reserved, okay, places. He also got the victory. And okay, so he is also claiming their right for that Muslim. Okay, so next one is the cabinet mission. The cabinet mission, those the time in Britain. Okay, two parties also having that. The first one is the Labour Party and Conservative Party. So in the election of 1946, so in Britain, okay, a Labour Party that win or got the victory. Okay, so according to Labour Party, okay, Clement Attlee become the Prime Minister, and he declared that, okay, so an announcement for Indians, favor for Indians. So that is why he set up the cabinet mission. So the cabinet mission also, okay, so that the under that cabinet mission, okay, some of the British officers came to India, and after that they give the, okay, so welfare of, okay, people of India. So that is why the cabinet mission was set up. So the cabinet mission also, there is a few many members having in cabinet mission, whose are means that the Patrick Lawrence, and after that the Stafford Cripps and A.V. Alexander. So these are the members of cabinet mission. So the first one, Sir Stafford Cripps and Alexander, so rejecting the demand of Pakistan. Okay, so those are, okay, so rejected. Okay, so the demand of Pakistan, and he provided the federal government. Okay, so that the under the federal government, the defense, and after that the communication. And next one is a, uh, okay, so that the foreign affairs. Okay, so the defense, and after that the communication and foreign affairs, those the photo files, okay, so in the federal, okay, in the central level. Okay, controlled by the central level. So that was introduced by the British. Okay, Patrick Lawrence and A.V. Alexander. And the provided the provinces were divided into three groups. Okay, so what is that means? The non-Muslim majority provinces, and Muslim majority provinces, and northwest Muslim majority provinces in the, okay, at northeast. Okay, so these are the divisions also. Okay, divided by the provinces. So that was made by the cabinet mission. The Constitutional Assembly become, okay, was elected as an interim government. Okay, so that is the representatives of all communities. So the Congress and Muslim League accepted the plan. However, both interpreted in the, okay, differently. That is also happened there. Okay, so okay, students, today we are discussed few many topics. The first one is okay, Subhash Chandra Bose, and next one is okay, so towards freedom, Royal Indian Navy revolt, and next one negotiating independence Simla conference, and next one is a cabinet mission plan. Okay, so I hope, okay, so we are clearly understood about this topic. If you have any doubt means, ask immediately. Thanks.